Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Another very common correlation coefficient is used when we have ordinal scores, when we have the equivalent of first, second, third, etc., on each variable. The Spearman rank order correlation coefficient describes the linear relationship between two variables when measured by ranked scores. The symbol for the Spearman correlation coefficient is. It belongs to non-parametric tests and measures the strength and direction of the relationship between the ranks of two quantitative variables. It is used to measure the relationship between ordinal variables, such as student ratings or performance level. It is considered an alternative to Pearson's correlation when the distribution is not normal. Type of relationship: positive, if the sign is positive; negative, if the sign is negative. Note: for strength and range, it has the same properties as the Pearson correlation coefficient. Here is the formula for RS. D equals the D in the numerator stands for the difference between the two ranks in each X or Y pair. The data comes in two forms. Either the data is already in the form of ranks, or the data is in the form of quantitative scores, which we convert into ranks from smallest to largest, and repeated scores receive the same rank. The two scores of 5 are each assigned rank 2.5 because we added ranks 2 and 3 and divided them by the frequency of the score 5, which is 2. The same applies to the score of 9, which is assigned rank 8. How to make a decision? If the calculated Spearman value is greater than or equal to the tabulated correlation value, we reject the null hypothesis. If the calculated Spearman value is smaller than the tabulated correlation value, we accept the null hypothesis. Pearson's correlation coefficient versus Spearman's correlation. Type of inferential. Statistic parametric, no parametric. Type of relationship linear along the line, linear along the line. Sample size more than 30, less than 30. Level of measurement interval ordinal or converting. Quantitative data to ranks. Range of values, -1, +1, -1, +1. Strength, less than 0.50 equals weak. From 0.50 to 0.70 equals medium. More than 0.70 equals strong, less than 0.50 equals weak. From 0.50 to 0.70 equals medium. More than 0.70 equals strong. Direction positive sign equals direct. Relationship. Negative sign equals inverse relationship, positive sign equals direct. Relationship. Negative sign equals inverse relationship.